Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick video to talk about something that some of you might still be using, Internet Explorer 11. So we all thought, well, Internet Explorer must be gone from systems and all. Well, even though it in most cases is either basically installed or not installed much, it's still part of Windows because a lot of people don't understand why it's still here, but the problem is Internet Explorer is such high integration within Windows that a lot of companies, a lot of enterprise connections and compatibility with their services and interconnections within computers and their systems used Internet Explorer actually. So it became clear at one point that retiring Internet Explorer was a tough job. And so there's still a small percentage of mostly enterprise users using Internet Explorer. So what happens is that Internet Explorer has slowly been deprecated, and it gets security updates, but they're not really pushing it. They're trying to have you use something else. And Microsoft, at several occasions, said, use something else to browse the web. This is not a good idea to use Internet Explorer. Its compatibility on the web also is not great anymore. So today, Microsoft announced that Internet Explorer is going to be retired in June of 2022. So in a year from now, it will be removed from Windows. So if you are using it in a year from now, you're going to lose it. They're saying, hey, we've got Edge now. So that is a better choice than Internet Explorer if you want to have a browser. So use Edge and forget about Internet Explorer, or use whatever other browser you want to use. So it's an official definitive date. There will be exceptions to the rule because they know that some enterprise may be stuck for some reason in using it. So there will be some exceptions on certain versions of Windows 10. But for most of us, consumer versions, Internet Explorer is going to be gone, and I think that's a good thing. Over the years, we had so many different versions of Internet Explorer, including some very crappy ones. I remember, I think it was Internet Explorer 6 or 7. Boy, that thing was like slow and bloated and crazy bad. Internet Explorer 11 fixed a lot of the problems in the past, but yet, it's an old browser. I mean, it's been there for years. It's been in Windows 7 and earlier, so, it's time to move on. Internet Explorer 11 is going to be removed in about a year from now. I think it's June 15th, 2022. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.